Okay, second graders, it is time for your foundations lesson. Are you ready, Mooey Booey? Yes, I'm ready, Mooey Booey. Okay, awesome. Okay, so let me start by asking a question. What are the two long sounds of Y? Okay, remember this is vowel Y. Yes, it is I or E. When does vowel Y say I? Yes, when it is an open syllable and when it's a one-syllable word at the end. When does Y say E? Okay, yes, it is an open syllable too. And trip, what kind of word? Yes, when it's at the end of a multisyllabic word. Nice job. What other vowel has two long sounds? Yes, U. You can either say oo or you. Awesome. Okay, let's do a few suffixes first. So let's do, just echo me, Y-E, Y-I. Good. Suffix L-Y, ly. And suffix T-Y-T. Rock on. Let's look at a word that uses these suffixes. All right, we are down here with Mooey Booey. Mooey Booey. And let's look at this word. This word is... What is this word? Yes, this is the word bravely. Let's say the word, the base word, and then the whole word. Ready? Go. Brave, bravely. Nice job. What does this word mean? Bravely. Okay, so if you're brave, that means you're being courageous. You're not afraid. And since we have the suffix ly, who remembers what parts of speech often use suffix ly? Not adjectives, not verbs, not nouns. If you said adverbs, you are right. So I can change an adjective like brave into an adverb by adding suffix ly. Now you're doing something bravely. Think of a sentence with the word bravely. Mr. Kaufman bravely videoed videos for you to work online. Or Mooey Booey bravely went into the forest. Yes, good job. Let's look at some more words with some of these suffixes. What word is this? Yes, this is the word fluffy. Let's say this word, the base word, and then the whole word. Ready? Go. Fluff, fluffy. Yes, good job. What is the suffix on this word? Yes, it is suffix ye. So, what part of speech is this? Fluff is a noun, it's a thing. But if you add the suffix y, it makes it an adjective. It describes something that is fluffy. Like Mooey Booey, he is fluffy. Mooey Booey. Okay, look at this word. What is this word? Addison, what is this word? This is a tough word, isn't it? Well, how many vowels do you see? 3 vowels? Wow! That tells me this is going to be a multisyllabic word. How would we divide this word up? I tell you what, get out your whiteboard and write this word down, and we will divide it up, okay? I will wait for you. Or you could just pause the video. Okay, hopefully you have the word written by now. Let's see. Well, if we divide the word up like this into 3 parts, well, this consonant closes in this first syllable. So please mark this syllable. What syllable is this? Ah, we know it's closed, so we're going to mark it with a C. And this U is going to say what? Yes, it's going to say it's a short U. So let's put a breve above that U. So this says tux. Oh, look, this E is going to be by itself. There's nothing closing it in. So how are we going to mark that syllable? Yes, we'll mark it with an O for open. So what is this going to say? Yes, it's going to say its name. It's a long E. And then our last syllable. How will we mark it? Oh, it's also an open syllable. There's nothing to close it in. So that O is going to say, yes, it's going to say O. It's a long O, so put a macron above the O. So now we can read this word. We have tux, E, do. Tuxedo. Yes, a tuxedo is a very nice looking dress with a tie, not a dress, but it's what guys wear to weddings and stuff, and they look really nice. Penguins also look like they're wearing tuxedos. Okay, Mooey Booey, it's time to do some trick words. Are you ready? Mooey Booey. All right, great. Okay, erase your boards. And first I will say the word, and then you echo, and then we'll write it, okay? Ready? The first word is change. Awesome. Here is how to spell change. C-H-A-N-G-E. Change. Okay. First, let's talk about this word. And it's a little bit slanty. That's okay for now, I guess. What is tricky about spelling this word change? What do you think? Elijah, what do you think? Okay, well, yes, Elijah, hopefully you said there's a G that says J. So remember that G-E makes a soft G sound. It sounds like a J. J. What else is tricky about this word? Okay, well, let's see. If you said that this A makes a long A sound, even though it's closed in by the N, then you'd be right. That A should say ah, but it's saying A. Okay, that's just something we're going to have to remember. All right, so here's what I'd like you to do. Put your marker down, 2 fingers, and let's write with our finger first, then with our marker. We're going to do say, spell, say. Ready, set, go. Change. C-H-A-N-G-E. Change. Okay, now it's time for your markers. Ready, set, go. Change. C-H-A-N-G-E. Change. Great job. Yay. Okay. Okay, you get a cheese grater. You did great, great, great. All right, awesome. Now it will be time for trick word number 2. Okay, trick word number 2 is 8. Okay, good. This isn't 8 like I ate the pizza. This is 8 like the number 8. And here's how it's spelled. E-I-G-H-T. Now, what is tricky about this word? What do you think, Lori? Okay, I'm guessing maybe you saw that there's an E-I-G-H, and all those letters just make the sound A, a long A. Yes, these are ghost letters. Interesting. Okay, you ready? Marker down, 2 fingers, and go. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. And now with your markers. Ready, set, go. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Nice job! Yay, you get a firework. Great job! Okay, second graders, I hope you had fun with Fundations today. I sure had fun filming it. It was totally weird. Okay, and Mooey Booey wants to say goodbye too. Mooey Booey! All right, awesome. Remember, I love you guys, and let's put our hands in the middle and say our mission statement. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Be kind, be helping, don't hurt. Team Cool! All right, have a great day.